Okay. Okay, so are we together? Okay. So I was talking about we talked about the cooking internal temperature using the meat probe. Okay, that's it. For those of you who want to delve into cooking tomorrow, or we said there are there's what we call even cooking. I take for instance, you want to roast chicken, one big, one small. You cut the chunks different sizes and you put it inside oven. One will cook before the other one. You want to boil yam, one yam big, one small. You see say the one small don tender, the one wey big still dey. So cut them evenly so that they cook evenly. Maintaining we talked about holding temperature yesterday. So let's go to the others ones. The cleaning, we talked about it. Segregation, this one is very, very key. All right, there's what we call food waste. All right, whenever they bring anything, you always have some things you need to dispose. Some tomatoes that are not good any longer, leaves that are withered, and so many other things. So we call them food waste. They have their, in fact, we had when they were coming for inspection, we had to make sure that there are some certain things that should be in place so that at least they don't observe too many non-conformity. So you guys are good with that already. Even plastic overboard, you don't on board you don't overboard plastic. Why? Because they tend to want to dirty. In fact, today right now they are doing too many robots that will be picking up plastics from the water. Even right now they're trying to even do plastics that even on its own it could disintegrate, just to make sure that this thing does not cause menace. More so, they are not good for the marine life. A big fish can eat such plastic, looking at it like it's food, and it will not digest. Naturally, that fish will die. Also, there are some certain fishes you are not allowed to kill, marine life. Like dolphin, you're not allowed to kill a dolphin because a dolphin has its peculiarity to save life and so on and so forth. And so